Are those my eggs?
I think so. Yeah, I guess they are.
Okay, follow-up question. Why are you using my eggs?
2 words. Eminent domain.
Eminent domain?
See, while the eggs are technically yours, they were blocking my access to the spinach and basil.
So you just took them.
It's complicated. You've heard what they said. If you want to make an omelet, you gotta expropriate a couple of eggs.
Never. I've never heard of that.
It's very popular. See, at the end of the day, everyone needs to do their fair share for the greater, more delicious good. Can you pass me your garlic salt, please? Thank you. Hey, what you doing?
The sink is broken. I see the problem. I'm just gonna fix it.
No.
What?
Well, for starters, you don't have a plumbing license in this state. Besides, I've already put out multiple bids for this to contractors, and I'm just waiting to see which one is the most politically connected.
But I can just do it myself.
Who's that?
Nobody.
Can I see?
Be right back.
No.
What's going on?
He wouldn't let you fix the sink, would he?
No.
What's happening here?
There are currently 14 items in the house that we've asked Gov to fix, and it's been nearly 26 days and nothing.
Okay.
So if he doesn't comply within a month, we have reasonable cause to break the lease.
Oh! Why are we in your car?
Because Gov's been spying on us.
Spying on us? Isn't that illegal?
I don't know. Half the things he does seem illegal.
That's so creepy.
I know. But we have some power here. And if we have to talk about something in the house, we use these approved code words. Like, for example, the kitten is spying on the Dalmatian. Gov is spying on Sam.
Or the knothole is lovely in the desert is the window is broken in the bedroom.
What about Douglas?
Oh, he's on a meditation retreat until Friday, so we're on our own.
Okay. Now, if anything else does break, make sure to fully document it and submit a formal request in writing.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna get Gov.
Today. Yes, and the toiler wildflowers are pretty too.
Firm order? I confirm.
Okay, that's it. I've had enough.
What's wrong, Gov?
Something's happening here. I know when I'm being plotted against, and there's definitely plotting going on.
Whatever do you mean?
I've been reading your texts.
Dude.
What?
I know what you're doing. And don't think your little code words can fool me, LOL. I'm not stupid. I know that means let's overthrow landlords. Not on my watch. I've got you all dead to rights. This is concrete evidence of a conspiracy against me.
Hand over your phones now. I will distribute pre-approved communication devices.
Trust me, this is for your protection and mine.
What is this?
Gov, you've neglected to fix any of the items in the house in a timely fashion.
It's officially been over 31 days.
Is that what this is about? My yearly budget has already been used up on surveillance.
Spying on us.
Protecting you. Okay, look. I have 3 bids out right now to fix up the house. Everything should be repaired by end of fiscal year.
That's great, but we won't be here.
What? What are you talking about?
We're leaving. Breaking the lease.
No, you can't.
End of month, we're out.
No,
Yes.
no! See, I've inspected your bank accounts, your student loan debts. This house is rent controlled. You'd have to move far, far, far out of the city to be able to afford anything else.
We're resourceful. We'll figure it out.
Fine. Go. But don't wait until the end of the month. I want you out first thing in the morning. If you don't like the protections that I provide for you, then you can just go. Douglas and I will be just fine without you. Isn't that right, Douglas?
Gov, why are you like this?
Because I care.
Well, your caring is creepy.
And it's holding us back.
Go pack your things. I want you out of here by 8 a.m. And you will definitely be paying the full month. Gov does not prorate.
Our special thanks to Draper University Foundation, creating entrepreneurial heroes through proactive, team-based training.